everybody. Hello, hello. Don't mind me, I'm all dressed in my the market today for Dance with the Dragons with our fantasy fitness team. But I'll be going live first, so we'll talk more about that later. But hi, hello, welcome. Thank you so much for joining, and thank you for taking time for yourself today. I'm very excited for today's class. We are going to be doing a Valkyrie Mind Stilling class. I'll just show you what I'm sitting on, my pillows. If you've taken any guided meditation classes with me or seen any of my videos, you know that I like to get seated comfortably. So I give myself some cushion, some pillows, whatever's needed so that I can sit in a seated position comfortably for a long period of time. So again, hi, welcome. I'm hopping on a little early just to make sure everything is all set up, sound and clear, y'all can hear me. Give some time for everybody to join. We're going to be starting class around 1 o'clock, so a few more minutes. But I wanted to kind of give you an introduction to what we'll be doing today. So today we're going to be harnessing the strength of a Valkyrie, which are warriors who are known for their pretty much unbreakable composure. Valkyries were trained so that their minds are pretty much as sharp as blades, mastering the art of stillness, even in chaos. They found that heightened emotions were distracting in the face of an opponent, so they chose to not only train their bodies, but also train their minds. Today we'll explore how you can cultivate this inner strength, finding calm and clarity in your own life or on the battlefield. So I want to start by acknowledging that our minds wander. They're pulled countlessly in all these different directions based on thoughts and worry pretty much every second of every day. Look at our current state of the world. Anywho, as Valkyries, we are not asking you to not have those thoughts. We are asking you to recognize them, allow them to crash around you. So I'm not asking you to completely empty the mind. Allow those thoughts to come through and then just kind of let them crash around you. And then gently come back to the present. Their practice is essential for building resilience emotionally and mentally. And it requires constant practice. A little less than 5 minutes a day, I would say, but definitely some consistency. Again, just 5 minutes of your day. Just like you're sitting here with me and took the time to meet with me today at 1 o'clock, take some time for yourself once a day to practice any of these for about 5 minutes, or even all three of the things I'm about to show you, and see how much it improves your ability to not only connect with the mind, because the mind, body, and soul are all one, but to feel more present and also feel more of that clarity and work more towards being less reactive and more, involved. So like I said, this can look from remaining calm in the face of your fears or responding to situations instead of reacting to them. So we're going to go ahead and begin. Hello everybody, thank you again for joining. We're going to start with Gwen's coherency breath. So Gwen, as we know, had taught Nesta a breathing technique from the Valkyrie, and it's one that I really love to implement. But I want everybody to just take some time before we get into it. Sit comfortably if you're not already. You can sit in a chair if you're more comfortable standing. And we're going to go ahead, kind of get into it. We're going to start by just becoming aware of our breath. And like I said, we're going to start to learn the technique that Gwen had taught Nesta. It's a form of coherency breath, which is the practice of slowing your breath to a count of about 5 to 6 breaths per minute. So this puts you in a coherent state, which makes you ready to make decisions and respond with logic versus react with emotions. So we're going to go ahead and get started. Inhaling deeply through your nose, feeling your belly rise. Then exhale slowly through your nose, letting go of any tension that's in your upper body. Now we're going to add a count to that breath, a count of 6. So inhaling deeply through your nose for a count of 6. Feel your belly rise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then exhale slowly through your nose for a count of 6, releasing any tension now in your lower body. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. We're going to inhale again deeply through the nose for a count of 6, feeling the belly rise. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then exhale up the nose for a count of 6. Now letting go of any tension you may have in your face, or your forehead, your neck, and your jaw for the count of 6. Valkyries understand the power of our breath. It can ground us and regulate our emotions, helping us stay focused and calm. Breathing through your nose can activate our parasympathetic nervous system, aka the calm button, which breathing through your mouth would actually activate your kind of fight or flight reflex or response. So think about that when you're trying to find those moments and you're trying to center yourself and feel your breath, breathing in through the nose and out through the nose for a count of 6. Moving on from that practice, we're now going to go through a practice called the bumblebee breath. So the bumblebee breath will require us to close our eyes and inhale through your nose, just like we did before. However, on your exhale through your nose, you're going to gently hum as you exhale. So we're going to take a deep inhale, inhaling through the nose, and as you exhale, hum while exhaling through the nose. This can help with migraines, it can improve sleep, and it can reduce anger and be used for anxiety relief. So we'll do 3 rounds of this, extending our exhales as long as we can. So inhaling through the nose and exhaling through the nose with a hum for as long as you can. So we'll go for 1, inhaling through the nose and exhaling. And another big inhale, inhaling. And exhale. Our last one, deep inhale. And hold this exhale as long as you can. Awesome. Can you see why it's called a bumblebee breath? But again, it's really fun to just kind of get in tune and realize all of the different things you can do just simply by breathing. So next, we're going to go into a brief meditation. And for this meditation, I'm going to just kind of explain it before we get into it. Each time you hear a sound, instead of labeling it for what it is, for my example here, dogs, cats, any outdoor noise, we're just going to give it a number and allow the sounds to naturally come to us while opening our awareness and our ears and increasing our focus. For each distinct sound and different sound you hear, you're going to start to count. 1, 2, 3, till we get to 5 sounds. We're going to reach 5 sounds. So we're going to close our eyes, again, get center, focus on our breath, and we're going to call this our 5 sounds of meditation. So as everybody closes their eyes, and we start to inhale, just listen for all the sounds around you, all the subtle noises. Can you listen for the sound that's furthest away from you? Can you listen for the sound that's closest to you? And if you haven't already heard 5 noises, keep noticing and keep counting. Just keep listening. And we'll have 1 more minute just to focus on any subtle sounds around you. For the next 2 minutes, we will release this practice and remain in stillness. You can choose to continue the practice during this time and continue counting, but start to breathe a little deeper and more purposeful. And as you come back to your body, slightly move your fingers and toes. And maybe roll the head from side to side. And we're going to take a giant inhale and reach our arms up over our heads. And on our exhale, we're going to slowly open our eyes and allow our arms to just fall back down to the side. And that's a fun meditation practice I like to work with because of the fact that your mind can wander and because of the fact that sometimes you feel that meditation always needs to be mindless in a sense, that you're not aware of everything, but it can also be being aware and focusing on the subtle and focusing on all of the things around you, even with your eyes closed and even while you're trying to be still. Some positive affirmations. This is another really fun way to explore the practice of meditation and also self-love and self-care. So again, we're going to close our eyes and start with the belly breath that we were doing earlier. So just inhaling for 6 through the nose and exhaling for 6 out the nose. While doing this and while with our eyes closed, I want you to say to yourself, you can either repeat it out loud or as I'm saying it to you, say it to yourself. I am the rock against which the surf crashes. Nothing can break me. Say this to yourself 3 more times as you inhale. I am the rock. Exhale. Nothing can break me. We'll go one more time. Inhaling. I am the rock. Exhaling. Nothing can break me. And one last time. Deep inhale. I am the rock. And exhale. Nothing can break me. And again, we'll slowly open our eyes and come back to the present. I wanted to thank you so much again for joining me today on this quick practice. I wanted to give you guys some quick tips and tricks as to how you can also embody Valkyrie. But as we wrap up, I want you to remember that every moment spent on your mental well-being is just another jump forward to becoming unshakable. Again, just like our Valkyrie. So if you're ready to dive deeper into your journey and explore some more comprehensive training and some more comprehensive training plans that we have available, I'm very excited to announce to you that we have the Ultimate ACOTAR Bundle. So some of my favorite practices, even some of actually all 3 of the practices that we just did in this live are also in some of our Valkyrie training, which is all included in ACOTAR's bundle. So our ACOTAR bundle includes 6 months of programming. And I wanted to just kind of explain what all of those were briefly, because we have been rolling them out for a while since our last event. So our last event, I believe, was the Starfall Ball, and we had the Mindstilling class, we had a Valkyrie boot camp, and it was so much fun. But we wanted to also provide it to people who weren't able to come, and also provide it for people who wanted to just kind of work out like their favorite heroes. So we created a ton of different programs, and in this bundle we've combined them all together so that you can get them all. So we have our 12-week House of Wind stair climbing challenge. If you know, you know, but you do know. It's our Nesta challenge, so walk in the House of Wind. Those are like thousands of steps, but we'll get you there in 12 weeks. We have our 12-week Valkyrie body weight boot camp program, which is also super fun. That's very similar to what we do when we do these immersive fantasy events. So it's a lot of fun. We were able to make that into a 12-week program to build up your strength. We have a 4-week abs like an Illyrian program, which was one that we also offered during the Starfall Ball. So much fun. A lot of people joined in on it. It's a very intensive 4-week abs, but listen, if you want to look like Cassian and Azrael, you have to do the work. Our next program that comes with this is going to be the 4-week Phoenix Embers Fat Loss Initiation, which is also another really fun high-intensity program. We have Azrael's Build Your Own Blood Right Qualifier Workout, which another one that was one of my favorites from the Starfall event, because we had this cute little, well, we still do if you look at the program, there's this really cute little Azrael in Warrior 3 that just like sends me every time because it's just so cute. And then starting in December, we'll be adding exclusive Valkyrie training follow along videos, which is a special series of 6 guided workout videos, 2 boot camps, 1 advanced training, 2 mind stilling and mobility, and stretching sessions. So this can all be accessed through that bundle, everything for, it's $193 for all of that. So like I said, 6 months worth of programming. $193 for all of it. But because we're going to Dance of the Dragons and it's 1 o'clock, Coach Brenna's already there. If you're there, say hi, Coach Brenna. Hi, Coach Alex. But because of this event this weekend, we are actually doing a 40% discount. That's for anybody attending the event and anybody with this exclusive code, which I'm going to give to you. The exclusive code is Dance Dragon, all caps, 24, and that's going to give you 40% off of this bundle, which is going to make it $116 for all of that programming. It's kind of part of our early Black Friday program, and again, a very special discount just because of this event that we're going to this weekend. I'm super excited. I would love to see literally anybody doing these workouts, but especially anybody who's like as big of an ACOTAR fan as we are. I literally do the workout in like my fun outfits. I've got different like Valkyrie leggings and stuff that I like to wear when I'm doing like specifically my Valkyrie boot camp classes and stuff. But I'm very excited. I'm very excited to head out. I'm so glad you guys all came to join me before I leave, because I definitely needed this. I was stressing all morning to make sure I got all the things done that I needed to get done before I left. So it was good to kind of sit with you guys and take a few minutes for myself and focus on my breathing. Like I said, just about 5 minutes a day. And if you did all 3 of these exercises with me, that would take you about 5 minutes to do on your own. So if you want to take any of this into your everyday life, please do, and leave a comment below to let me know how you enjoyed it and how you are planning on incorporating it into your daily life. But that's all I have for you guys today. I'm going to get ready to head out. I hope I see you guys all there. If you're going to be there, please also comment below. Let's meet up. Let's hang out. I'll be there pretty much all day today. I don't plan on leaving until the market's over. But like I said, I'll be at the booth with Fantasy Fitness, and I'll probably walk around and come visit some friends too. So I hope I see you guys there. I hope you guys enjoyed today's class, and I hope you make more time for yourself. Okay, have a great day, guys. Thanks, bye.